Parts list. 2 side rails with swing arms, 2 short center bars, 1 long spine bar, 7 threaded feet and nylon inserts with large flange nuts, 4 bolt-on brackets, 4 hook-end brackets, and 8 small flat top bolts with flange nuts, 6 medium carriage bolts and flange nuts, 1 instruction and toolkit. First, you will want to open your swing arms up at the head and foot end, and then you'll want to repeat this on the other side. Next, connect the swing arms in the middle with the small center bars and the medium carriage bolts. You don't want to tighten this up quite yet, just make it finger tight. You'll need to set your width still. If you're doing a bolt-on configuration, go ahead and spread this to approximately 60 inches wide, wide enough to fit your box spring if you have a queen size. If you have a king size, it'll be approximately 76 inches. Again, measure to fit your box spring setup. If you have a hook-in style, go ahead and attach the hooks and get it adjusted to fit your bed before tightening these bolts. Connect the long spine bar to the center bars at the head and foot end of the bed using your remaining 2 medium carriage bolts. You can go ahead and tighten this up at this point. This will be running head to toe down the middle of the bed. Now that the crossbars and the long spine bar are all fully connected, you're going to want to roughly adjust all threaded feet to the same height and insert the nylon insert and threaded foot into each steel leg. Then fully adjust each foot so they contact the floor evenly. Test that a sheet of paper will not fit underneath of them. If the paper fits underneath still, adjust the foot down. As mentioned earlier, there are 2 different brackets available, the hook-in version and the bolt-on version. If using the hook-in version, you can use either the high or the low set of brackets to raise or lower the hook. Also, with the bolt-on bracket, there will be 5 different height settings. You can use any of those 5 settings to bolt the brackets on. If using the bolt-on brackets, you may need to adjust the feet up or down to get the brackets to line up with the holes on your headboard and footboard. If using a hook-on bracket, you will need to adjust the feet down to where they reach the floor or up so that the hooks can engage. If using bolt-on brackets, now all that's left is to attach the headboard and footboard to the frame. The nuts and bolts will need to be screwed on through the plate into the headboard and footboard. Those bolts should come with the headboard and footboard. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your 7-leg queen or king size frame.